What if the reason you're not losing fat has nothing to do with the gym? What if your body is already capable of burning more calories? You're just missing a few tiny switches in your daily routine. Most people think fat loss requires intense workouts and strict diets. But in reality, it's often the small habits you repeat every day that make the biggest difference. So today, I'll show you simple habits that quietly increase fat burning without extra time, without stress, and without living in the gym. Habit number 1, move right after you eat. Ever notice how you feel sleepy after a big meal? That's your blood sugar spiking. A short walk, even 10 minutes, helps your body handle that spike better and reduces fat storage. You don't need to go outside. Walk around your home, clean something, stay lightly active. It's simple, but powerful. Habit number 2, drink before you eat. Here's a trick. Before your next meal, drink a glass of water. Not after, before. Why? Because your brain often confuses thirst with hunger. That one glass can reduce how much you eat without you even noticing. Habit number 3, stop sitting so much, let's be honest. How many hours a day do you sit? Now imagine burning more calories just by not doing that. Stand while scrolling, stand during calls. Even small moments on your feet add up and increase your daily energy burn. Habit number 4, protein equals your secret weapon. If you're always hungry, this might be why. Meals low in protein don't keep you full for long. Adding protein, like eggs, chicken, beans, or dairy, helps control appetite and slightly boosts your metabolism. Habit number 5, sleep like it matters, because it does. Think sleep is not important for fat loss? Think again. When you don't sleep enough, your body increases hunger hormones and cravings, especially for sugar and junk food. Good sleep isn't a bonus, it's part of the fat loss process. Bonus habit, slow down your eating. Here's something most people ignore. Your brain needs about 15 to 20 minutes to realize you're full. If you eat too fast, you overeat. Slow down, chew properly, and you'll naturally eat less. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just start with one habit, then stack another and another. Because small daily actions don't just add up, they transform your body over time. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stick around for more simple, effective fat loss tips.